This renovation of an 18th-century villa on Lake Como is a masterful blend of historical preservation and contemporary design. The architects have carefully restored and enhanced the existing structure while creating a modern and comfortable living space for a family of 5. The renovation prioritized the preservation of the villa's original character, including its unique architectural features and existing surfaces. The use of a monochromatic color scheme throughout the house creates a sense of unity and enhances the visual impact of the original architectural details. The garden design seamlessly integrates the villa with its natural surroundings. The new dock, grotto, and outdoor spaces enhance the connection between the house and the lake. The large windows and open-plan layout maximize natural light and offer stunning views of the lake. The use of natural materials and the incorporation of energy-efficient features contribute to the sustainability of the project. The restoration of the original frescoes and the addition of new ceiling frescoes by Matthieu Cossé add a unique artistic dimension to the villa. The integration of the rock grotto into the overall design creates a dramatic and unique feature. The use of local materials and craftsmanship throughout the project reflects the villa's rich history and its connection to the surrounding region. This renovation is a testament to the power of architecture to preserve history while creating a modern and inspiring living space. The villa on Lake Como is a truly exceptional example of how to blend tradition with contemporary design.